so the road trip has begun. We're only like 2 hours down the road or something like that, but we're heading to West Virginia to the New River Gorge, and we're gonna go rafting tomorrow. We're so excited. Wait, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. And then head up to Columbus, where we lived for 10 years, and check out, we have a little campground. So anyway, we're gonna check on life there in Ohio, and then it's like 27-hour drive to Salt Lake City. So we're excited to be able to kind of make our way. Some friends in Charleston are from here and told us about rushes. So it looks, they have awesome reviews. Anyway, we're excited to be able to check it out. So we're in Charlotte. Actually, not Charlotte. We're in Columbia, South Carolina still. So happy tastes good. What do you got?
Cotton candy blizzard.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Alrighty, so we're on the upper New River Gorge. The lower is cooler, but we can't do it with the kids. So we're doing the upper New River Gorge. It's awesome. It's a 12-mile stretch. So, and we're going with Adventures on the Gorge. I've been with these guys a few times. They're awesome, awesome, awesome company. Alrighty, we just got through half of it. I'm so bummed. My GoPro, I have the mic on it, and I took off the door anyway. It's somewhere in our luggage, so couldn't film most of it. But anyway, we're just hanging out for lunch for a minute, and then we'll continue on down. It's like another 2 more hours. So Owen, Emerson, and I all kind of got stuck. They have footage of it, so hopefully we can get the footage put on the video. But we all got stuck in this wave. Is pretty fun. It's awesome. Dessert first?
Yeah.
See those? Stop. We are at Weaver's Farm and Furniture. Didn't even take any video of our campground. If you're ever in Eastern Ohio, got a little campground. Love to. Anybody's welcome to stay anytime. It's such a cool place. Let me see that puppy. How are you, huh? Oh my goodness. This one stage?
Yeah, that's
How are you? Coolest thing about Ohio. So our road trip has been fabulous. We just got to Nauvoo and went toward Joseph Smith's home when he was here, and the mansion home, and it was so cool. So fun. But this whole place is just incredible. My parents have served like 3 missions here, so we've had the opportunity to come many times while they're here, but so special to be here every time. Such a sacred, wonderful place. Downtown Nauvoo. So beautiful. Crazy story. I came here forever ago, before I was married with my parents, and I came here to the Hotel Nauvoo, and there's a couple missionaries, and I said, hey, do you know Elder Martin? And they said, yeah, he's right over there. And my cousin was serving mission at the same time, and he was in the other room, and we had no idea. Anyway, had such a fun opportunity to meet up with him and hang out with him that night. Ah, so good. Branson, so amazing. Where are we at, Emmer?
I don't know.
I just said it.
Pawhuska.
Where are we at?
Oklahoma.
What town?
I have no idea.
Come on, we just said it. Pawhuska.
Popcorn.
We don't know how to pronounce it. So I gotta pronounce it Pawhuska. So we just got here. We're in Oklahoma. We've never been to Oklahoma before. So now we've visited how many states?
All 50.
All 50.
All 50. This is number 50 for us.
We should sing the 50 Nifty song. Owen?
We should, or maybe
Sing it.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
Anyway, when we first got, maybe you tell the story, Gina.
Yeah, when we first got married, I discovered Ree Drummond's blog, The Pioneer Woman, and I think I kind of accredit her blog and her show to me finding a love for feeding my family, learning how to cook. I used to TiVo her show during the week.
What's TiVo?
I used to record her show throughout the week, and then on the weekends I would like sit with a little notebook and I would take notes and then scour her blog and find the recipes for things that I wanted to learn how to make. And I haven't followed her for a few years, or anyone for a few years, but kind of feel like I know her. I credit her to learning how to just find the joy in feeding my family. So it'll be fun to check out her spot here.
Yeah, so this is, you can tell it's a way podunk town. And she built a mercantile and it's kind of developed the town, so we're excited to go check it out. Dude,
It's like the school bus of death and cars.
this is gonna be Owen's car when he turns 16. That's pretty cool. We just asked a random guy, Phil, on the side of the road. He's an older gentleman, raises horses and cattle here. He gave awesome tribute to Ree Drummond and just how much what she's done here has helped the city. It's pretty cool.
Don't let it go in your pants.
Don't go up my pants, buddy. Yes.
Don't be timid. What is life if you don't have room to grow? Each day's an open.
We are 2 hours away. It's been 30 hours. That's crazy. It's been such a wonderful drive. Anyway, we just got to Lee's Ferry. I've actually never been right here. Oh my gosh.
What?
So cool.
We're in Utah, the desert.
Or it's still Arizona. Wow.
The cage is not your home. The lines may blur my flower.
Look how beautiful. Wowzers. It's so beautiful here. The sunsets in Utah. The boat's amazing. We see so many sunsets, but they seem to be very similar. But in Utah, wherever you are, they're just amazing, amazing. So, special night. So we're about 1 hour from home.
Owen, what happened?
Oh, rookie mistake. My truck ran out of gas.
Ran out of gas. Oh, honey. Jump in.
Look at that beauty. Gonna go over to Sand Hollow and put the sailboat up for the first time. So we're super excited. Just got Owen a birthday present that he doesn't know about yet. Trying to talk Owen into going and teaching these guys how to sail, but he's too scared.
Too scared, man.
Just go ask him to ride on it.
Dude,
I'm sure they'll be cool to you.
I don't want it.
Go ask him.
I don't want to go sailing, dude. I've been sailing for the last 6 months.
Sweet boat.
What?
Go ask him.
No. They'll probably let you. Let me what?
Ride on it. Maybe he'll let you have it.
I don't want that.
I'll ask you for you. You want me to ask you?
No. I'm gonna punch you.
Owen. What was it? You have fun?
Happy birthday.
What?
It's your new sailboat, buddy.
What?
It's your new sailboat.
No, it isn't.
Ah!
This?
It has 2 wheels on the trailer, and you have to plug the trailer in, right?
Wait, what? Are you serious?
Ask him.
Wow.
What'd he say?
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
pretty fun, huh?
This thing's awesome.
So we just came over to the Jellystone Park in Hurricane. It's awesome to have, they've been building this over the last couple of years, but anyway, looks awesome, looks fun. We have some friends from Arizona that they thought we were on the boat. Anyway, we ended up meeting up with them, so we're excited to hang out here.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. I wanna taste the glass, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high.
So cool. It's so fast. I'm like blown away how fast it is. It's awesome.
You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it.
Taking mommy on their first ride.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. I wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon.
Oh my god.
What happened?
I got stuck. Actually, I didn't get stuck.
Just kidding. It was me. For some reason, I can't get the traction control to shut off and gotta pull it out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday